How to delete Safari history on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishakha and welcome to our channel. Let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, launch the Settings application and scroll down and look for the Safari option and tap on that. Scroll down again and you will see the option of Clear History and Website Data. Tap on that. Now under Clear Time Frame, you will get the option to select which time frame history you want to delete. There are options for last hour, today and yesterday, or all history. I will select last hour here. Under additional options, you will see the option for close all tabs. If you want to close all tabs in Safari, then toggle on the button, else leave it as it is. And now tap on the Clear History button and your history will be cleared. You can tell your history has been cleared if the Clear History and Website Data back in Safari settings is grayed out. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.